Eflite has got to take some notes here.
But
This thing flies so good.
You just 3D printed this with your 3D printer though, right?
Beautiful. All right, we are here at the field early morning before the kids get here to do a remaiden of the F-35 Eflite Ultrix hybrid variation. So I have the CG kind of forward just to start, and then watch your fingers, bud, just in case the props go. I added magnets to the hatch and full flying tails, completely independent. They function great. It has AS3X safe, but last time I flew it, by accident I installed the battery tray upside down, so everything was backwards. So, but now it's correct. I'm not going to fly it on safe right now. It tends to just fly great without it, just with a little bit of gyro. And yeah, what else? Oh, so from the last video, I changed the airfoil, completely different airfoil. It's a degree of positive incidence and 2 degrees of negative washout. I don't know if you can see it, but for slow flight. And same airfoil for the tails. And it flew great last time, but I just want it to fly better. So we will see how this one goes. Another pre-flight check. Okay. We're just gonna launch it, see how it goes. And then the files will be available on Colts 3D later today, as long as this flies good. Uh-oh. Ready? Looks good. Just stay over here, bud. All right, so it's flying great. Oh, you know what? It's on safe mode right now. It's on safe. Now it's not. Wow, flies great, right? Flying through the fog, right? All right, so I definitely need some more tail weight. So it's going to be a little bit of a rough landing. Little rough. So we're going to add a little bit of tail weight. All right, let's bring it over here. Here we go. Ready? And take off. Like a laser beam.
More like an arrow.
More like an arrow, yes.
Not really like a laser beam. Laser beam would just go straight.
So why is it still needs more tail weight, but it's flying way better.
Yeah, but I think if you give it a little bit more, I think if you give it too much more tail weight, I think it might crash a little bit, right?
My transmitter.
It might crash like your F-18.
My transmitter thinks that my battery's done, but
You have another battery?
yeah.
You'll always bring extra batteries, right?
This is one of the best flying planes I've ever made.
The F-18 was probably more cool.
Look at that. It's yelling at me. You want to change the battery?
Yeah.
I don't think it's dead though. I think it's only like 50%. I think you get like 6 or 7 minutes out of an 853 cell. I love this thing. It just flies so good.
Yeah, it really does.
Oh, that was bad.
Yeah.
Just the hatch, right?
Yeah, you're definitely gonna need to.
Props are good.
You're definitely gonna need to put it a little bit back, right?
I'm gonna try.
Because that thing could have ended up like your F-18.
Let's not talk about that anymore. Can you get the grass off for me? I'm glad it didn't break. Just the magnetic hatch came off. All right, here we go.
You're definitely gonna need to put that.
All right, we're gonna do one more flight, okay? All right. So I need.
Good as that Velcro is very long, right?
I'm gonna do a little bit more soft.
But good as that Velcro is really long, right?
Yes. Yep. That's why I put the Velcro back far, because you never know how much you're gonna have to move a battery.
Yeah, you never know how much you're gonna have to make it tail weight, even though it probably will crash if you do too much.
That's right. That is so right.
Wait, is that stick? Is that
Velcro.
Is that stippy tape? Is that tape Velcro?
Yep.
Because
That's right.
I see if that looks like that, because you just stick that on there like tape.
Mm-hmm.
You also have Gorilla Tape in there, which is not Velcro.
That is far back. I don't think the other one was that far back, right? I'll have to look at the video. But that's super far back.
You might have to put it a little bit out, because if you do a little bit too tail heavy, these flaps could break off.
Yep.
If you do it too tail heavy.
My hands are wet and cold. This is not a good combination for.
Me too.
All right, last flight, okay?
Yeah, I'm also very cold.
All right. Just get the grass out of the servos. Oh, this is one more thing that I have to do, is I have to make little tiny servo shields.
But you know it.
Ready?
But like your Batwing has shields, right?
My Batwing has shields. You're so smart. Okay, here we go. Taking off. Look at that. Oh, hand off. I have not touched it. I was drying my hands off.
I was just watching documentaries.
This is on safe mode.
You know, I was just watching documentaries when I was home.
Were you?
Yeah, I was watching documentaries.
Let's stall it. Ready? We're gonna stall it.
That's really high.
Okay, so.
Daddy, I think that's actually as high as your like as the plane where you drop the parachuters at, right?
I think it still wants more tail weight, dude. I'm sorry to interrupt you, but I have to talk in the camera to remember what I need to fix on it.
Yeah.
But it still flies amazing.
Yeah, it still does.
It still flies really nice.
You just did a little roll. No, there's a soccer ball over there.
It's okay.
Someone must have forget it when they did the soccer game yesterday, right?
Maybe.
Because did you see the soccer ball here yesterday?
No.
Then they probably forgot it when they did the soccer game yesterday.
So let's see the low speed flying characteristics. We know that it floats in.
they use that in the war or no?
They may be.
Daddy,
Yeah.
my toe kind of hurts.
Okay.
Because it's so cold out.
All right.
You can do one more lap.
All right. Thanks for letting me do one more lap.
Because you need to see how good it flies, right?
Yeah. Look at that slow flight.
And
This
it's-
flies just as slow.
And especially you have a lot of subscribers.
There's a vertical. It's definitely got better than 1-to-1.
And you want to get more subscribers, right?
Well, everybody does, right? Here comes speed. Ready?
Daddy.
Yeah.
You know sometimes actual YouTubers in the middle of their video they say like and subscribe.
Yep.
Can I say that right now?
You can.
Please like and subscribe, everybody.
I absolutely adore this plane. Ooh, I almost hit the soccer net.
Yeah, you could have. If you hit that, that would be very bad.
Let's go through the mist. Ready?
You could, I think, actually, you could probably go through the mist now.
I mean, I don't think Eflite made a plane that flies this good.
Yeah.
Eflite has got to take some notes here.
But
This thing flies so good.
you just 3D printed this with your 3D printer though, right?
Beautiful.
That could have hit me.
Was that cool?
Yeah.
All right. This will be available for purchase later today. And like and subscribe, right?
Thank you. Sorry. Like and subscribe again.
Yes. All right.